Good morning, class 6. This is your GK class. In this class, we are going to study everything which is happening around us. इस सब्जेक्ट में आप कुछ चीज़ें अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट से थोड़ी थोड़ी चीज़ें हम इस सब्जेक्ट में पढ़ेंगे. सो दिस सब्जेक्ट इज़ बेसिकली अ मिक्सचर ऑफ many subjects. Okay, so let's begin. The first chapter of our GK book is The First Indian Woman. The first Indian woman to reach Antarctica was Meher Moose. Children, as we all know that Antarctica is the southernmost continent of our world. It is all in throughout the year Antarctica is covered with ice. It is also called as cold desert. जैसे हम नॉर्मल लाइफ यहाँ पे अपनी एग्जिस्ट करती है अर्थ पे, अंटार्कटिका इज़ so cold that normal life cannot be existed there. ठीक है. So the first Indian woman to reach Antarctica was Meher Moose. The first Indian woman to be the Director General of Police was Kanchan Chaudhary Bhattacharya. DGP is the most decorated post of Indian Police Services. It is a star ranking post, and Kanchan Chaudhary Bhattacharya was the first Indian woman to achieve that post. In the picture you can see that she is wearing her uniform. So she was the first Indian woman to be the Director General of Police, the first woman judge of Delhi High Court, and the first woman to be a Chief Justice of a state. Who was she? She was Leela Seth. Children, as you all know that India has different state, although every state has its own high court, but there are few states in our country which share its high court with other state, but there is an apex court of our country which is called as the Supreme Court. So Leela Seth was the first woman judge of Delhi High Court and the first woman to be the Chief Justice of a state. The first Indian woman to receive Ashok Chakra was Neerja Bhanot. Children, Ashok Chakra is the highest gallantry award given to a civilian in peace time. ये वीरता के लिए दिया जाने वाला सर्वोच्च सम्मान है जो किसी एक सिविलियन को दिया जाता है. एंड नीरजा भनोत वॉज द फर्स्ट लेडी टू बी द रेसिपेंट ऑफ दैट अवार्ड. She was the head purser of a flight which was hijacked by terrorists. She helped the passengers to survive that hijack by sacrificing her own life. The first Indian woman to win Miss Universe was Sushmita Sen. In the year 1994, she won this title, and from India, she was the first woman to win that title. The first female combat officer commissioned by the Border Security Force is Tanushree Parikh. Children, BSF is one of the paramilitary force of our country. The soldiers of the BSF are deployed across the border of our country. They protect our country. They serve on the border areas of our country. And Tanushree Parikh was the first female combat officer to be commissioned in BSF. The first woman chief minister of Indian state was Sucheta Kriplani. Sucheta Kriplani was the first woman chief minister of Indian state, and the state was Uttar Pradesh. So children, we also are the resident of this state. We also live in Uttar Pradesh, and the capital of our state is Lucknow. Children, Shri Yogi Adityanath is our chief minister, and our governor is Anandiben Patel. So remember this. The Sucheta Kriplani was the first woman chief minister of which state? Uttar Pradesh. She was among the first women to be appointed as chief minister of any state, and currently the chief minister of our state is Shri Yogi Adityanath, and the governor of our state is Srimati Anandiben Patel. The first Indian female physician was Anandibai Gopal Rao Joshi. She happens to be the first female physician of our country. Her name is Anandibai Gopal Rao Joshi. First woman to be inducted into Indian Navy as pilot was Shubhangi Swaroop. She was the first lady to be inducted in Indian Navy as pilot. Children, in our country we have three chief defense services: Indian Army, Indian Air Force and Indian Navy, and Shubhangi Swaroop was the first woman to be inducted in Indian Navy as pilot. The first woman honors graduate was Kamini Roy. She was the first lady to be graduated in to have a honors degree. She is the renowned social worker of our country. First woman governor of Indian state was Margaret Alva. She was the first woman governor of an Indian state. Her name is Margaret Alva. The first woman election commissioner of India